there. I will now need your full attention, for we are to meet the important body parts without which we cannot eat or play or even live for a long time. These body parts are really special. What's more, we cannot see them because they're all inside our body. Hi, this is the cardiovascular system. I have a question for you. Go ahead. What is the cardiovascular system? The cardiovascular system includes the heart and the blood vessels. The heart pumps blood and the blood vessels deliver it throughout the body. At the center of the cardiovascular system is the heart. It is a muscle about the size of your fist. It's located behind your rib cage and a little to the left of the middle of your chest. The ribs protect your heart. That is why whenever you fall down or get hit in the chest, your heart is safe. Your heart pumps the blood through the body, through arteries and veins. These are like little roads in your body. The blood carries the good, nice oxygen and nutrients that the body needs and carries away the rotten, dirty carbon dioxide and chemical waste so that the body can get rid of them. You have reached the heart. Yeah, Mr. Heart. Can you please tell me more about yourself? Sure, let me give it to my operator. The heart is divided into the right half and the left half. These two halves of the heart act as separate pumps. Each is in charge of pumping blood through one of the two blood vessel circuits. The heart has 4 chambers: the right atrium, the right ventricle, the left atrium, and the left ventricle. The atrium on both the sides of the heart receives incoming blood first, and then it sends the blood down to the ventricles to be pumped out. The right side of your heart receives oxygen-poor blood from the body and pumps it into the lungs to get rid of the carbon dioxide and pick up the good oxygen. The left side of your heart receives oxygen-rich blood from the lungs and pumps it back into your body. The heart depends on 4 valves to move the blood in your heart in the right direction. The sound your heart makes, duck, 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 comes from the sound of these valves opening and closing. Blood pressure is the measurement of the force of the blood as it flows through the arteries of the cardiovascular system. The top number is called the systolic pressure, and it is the pressure found in the arteries while the heart muscles are squeezing blood out of the heart. The bottom number is the diastolic pressure, which is the pressure of the blood as it continues to flow through the arteries between the heartbeats. Your heart is the most important organ in your body. You could not live without a heart. And that is why you need to take care of your heart and keep it really, really healthy. These are the main things that you can do to keep your heart healthy. Eat healthy foods, exercise every day, and live life tobacco-free. The digestive system. We all love to eat, don't we? Hello, you have reached the digestive system. Can I help you? Yes, please. What is the digestive system? When you eat food, it goes into your digestive system. Your digestive system is responsible for converting the food we eat into energy for our bodies to use. It's like petrol being put into your car. Thank you very much. But what is the digestive system made of? The digestive system includes mouth, esophagus, liver, stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, and the rectum. Digestion, or the breaking down of food into small molecules that will be absorbed into your bloodstream, begins when you put food into your mouth. Your teeth help to break the food apart, saliva helps to soften the food, and your tongue helps to push the food into your throat and down into your esophagus, which is a soft tube that is connected to your stomach. The stomach, your little tummy, is a sac. It receives the food from the esophagus. Your stomach is located just below your heart. The stomach makes digestive juices, which include the acids and the enzymes that help to break down food into a thick liquid or paste. Your stomach is a muscular organ that is able to move in order to mix the food with the digestive juices. Food usually remains in the stomach for about a couple of hours. From the stomach, the mashed up food moves into the soft long tube known as the small intestine, where most of the digestion takes place. The liver makes a yellowish green fluid called the bile. Bile and the digestive enzymes from the pancreas help release the nutrients so they can be absorbed and circulated around your body in the bloodstream. The blood brings the fats, proteins, vitamins, and carbohydrates, including the sugars, to the liver, which helps make them into building blocks that the body needs to work and grow. The body does not digest all the food we eat. The undigested food leaves the small intestine and then enters the large intestine. The large intestine is about 5 feet long. So, it is shorter than the small intestine, which is about 25 feet long. But I guess it's called the large intestine because it is thicker or wider than the small intestine. The undigested food enters the large intestine in a liquidy paste. In the large intestine, water is removed from the liquid paste, turning what is left into solid waste. The solid waste then collects in the rectum at the end of the large intestine. This solid waste will finally leave the body through an opening called the anus. And this is what happens when you poop. Keep your digestive system in good shape by eating lots and lots of healthy foods like a lot of fruits and a lot of vegetables. Greasy or fatty foods like fast food can be